In today's video, I'll teach you how to share Whatnot invitation on WhatsApp. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to share the Whatnot invitation, what you have to do is simply tap on the gift icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now from this interface, you'll be able to earn the rewards and unlock the perks. So if you want to share the Whatnot invitation, look at bottom. You'll be able to see the invite link over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the copy option right next to that particular invite link. Now that particular link will be copied. Now what you have to do is open the WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Tap on the chat in which you want to send the invitation. Now after you do that, that particular chat will be opened. Tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply paste the link that we copied earlier. You can do it via the clipboard. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the invitation will be sent. If somebody taps on the invitation, they'll be able to download the Whatnot application and you'll be able to receive the rewards. So like this, you'll be able to share the Whatnot invitation on WhatsApp. So that is how you share Whatnot invitation on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.